Hello everybody, in this tutorial I will show you how to get rid of the infection from the Angel Comb in Subnautica 2. So to begin, we'll need some basic equipment like the distraction flare or this shark right here, this one, because he is very dangerous. So first off, you'll need some form of weight transportation. You can use the weight maker or just swim around. I'm going to use the tadpole because it's faster. And what you want to do is go to the Angel Comb and follow these infection trails, like this one. You want to go to the end of it, which is going to look like this. There's going to be a centered, like kind of a C-shape thingy, this one. And around it you'll see many of these kind of opened flowers, which have a blue lightning core inside. So, once you get out of your tadpole or go near it, make sure to watch out for these parasites, because they're going to bite you. And using the sonic resonator, you want to charge it up, aim it at the bloom, and it's going to destroy it. There are going to be about 4 blooms per one of these locations. There are 2 locations total. And once you've destroyed all of the blooms, you want to go to the Angel Comb. This is going to ensure that around the Angel Comb, it is going to open the flowers or the blooms, the bloom clankers, like this. So now you can use the distraction flare. So you want to go ahead and ignite it and throw it, and as you can see, the fish is going to be distracted by the flare. So you can go ahead to the blooms and break them with the sonic resonator. Just like this. Now, as you can see, it is going to open the Angel Comb. And now you want to go ahead and insert hand to this middle part. This is going to give you the heat intolerance. So this is pretty much all. How to clear the Angel Comb from infection. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.